Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Witty Creativity. So, there's Christmas vibes everywhere, and in today's video, I'll be making quick and easy Christmas DIYs which you can use to decorate your Christmas tree and your house. So, the first DIY is this glittery stars. For this, I have simply drawn the shape of stars on the sheets and cut it finely. Our second DIY is Christmas bell decoration. For this again I am using glitter foam sheet, golden and red one. We need to trace and cut 6 golden petals and 6 small red petals to form a beautiful flower. Coming to our third DIY, I have made snowflakes from paper quilling strips. They look amazing on Christmas tree. In our next video, you will be able to see how I used all these ornaments to decorate my Christmas tree. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to receive all the updates. Our next DIY is this tiny gift ornaments to decorate Christmas tree. In my next video, you'll be able to see my DIY huge Christmas tree. It has turned out beautiful. Guys, I'm very excited to show you how I decorated it. So don't forget to watch my next video, wherein I have used all these ornaments to decorate my Christmas tree.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings.
Our last DIY is this super quick, beautiful wreath. It will take hardly a minute or two to make this wreath. For this, I have taken an embroidery hoop and wrapped this green garland, which is easily available in the market. I simply wrapped it across the hoop, and at one end I have tied our Christmas bell to make it complete and beautiful. So I hope you must have loved this last minute quick DIYs. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Press that red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon with option all to receive all my video updates. As I already told you, next video is on Christmas tree decoration and I don't want you guys to miss it. So yeah, please subscribe and see you soon. Till then, keep smiling.